Part 14, 10 useful English idioms. 1. Be left holding the bag Hindi, दूसरों की गलती का सिर लेना. Explanation. To be blamed or punished while others escape. Example, everyone ran away and he was left holding the bag. 2. Be like a red rag to a bull. Hindi, किसी को बहुत गुस्सा दिलाने वाली बात. Explanation, something that makes someone very angry. Example, talking about his rival is like a red rag to a bull. 3. Be like herding cats. Hindi, bahut mushkil kaam jise niyantrit karna katin ho. Explanation, trying to control people who do not cooperate. Example, managing small kids is like herding cats. 4. Be no slouch. Kisi kaam mein bahut saksham hona. Explanation, to be good or skilled at something. She is no slouch when it comes to maths. 5. Be none the wiser. Kuch samajh na aana, pehle jaisa hi jaan rehna. Explanation, not understanding anything even after explanation. Example, he read the chapter twice but was none the wiser. 6. Be of no use to or beast. Hindi, bilkul bekar hona. Explanation, something or someone that is completely useless. Example, this broken tool is of no use to man or beast. 7. Be on a collision course. Hindi, takrav ki sthiti mein hona. Explanation, moving towards a conflict or disaster. Example, their arguments show they are on a collision course. 8. Be on a hiding to nothing. Hindi, har nishchit hona ya koi fayda na hona. Explanation, a situation where you cannot win. Example, arguing with him is being on a hiding to nothing. 9. Be on a roll, lagatar safalta milna. Explanation, doing very well repeatedly. Example, she won 3 contests this week. She is on a roll. 10. Be on the table, charcha ke liye prasthut hona. Explanation, available for discussion or consideration. Example, the new rule is on the table for next meeting. Subscribe for more idioms that are useful for competitive exams like CGL, IBPS PO, Clerk, SBI PO, RBI Assistant, NDA, CDS, and many more.